Flex, ain't enough time in the day to be finessing. Had to take a loss, but considered it a blessing. Cause life too short to be always second guessing. Man, keep it moving, I ain't looking for no drama. Yeah, I'm still leaning, still switching lanes, still doing me, ain't a damn thing changed. I mean, what you expect though? Real niggas always get respect, learn to start living and forget about the past. When you grind every day instead of sitting on your ass. I know a girl trying to kick it and she got a couple friends. Hello. And they all over 21. Hey, hallelujah. About to hit the corner store so I can pick me some drink up. But I left my wallet at the crib. Damn. I don't know about tomorrow, but today I'm feeling free. I be on a mission when it come to making money, so believe I'm coming for it. If you ever take it from me, I ain't never been a fool, so don't play me like a dummy. I've been drinking and I'm buzzed, now these women acting funny. Whoa, me and my niggas, we rollin', we turned up. Claiming you ballin', but nigga, you burnt up. So holla whenever you ready for action. I'm looking for luck, she looking for past.